Hey, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to put a Mazda, this one's a 2016 electric parking brake, into service mode when you're doing rear pads, and how to take it off of service mode once you're done with the rear pads. So follow along. Alright, we're going to start with everything off. We're going to turn your ignition on. We're going to press the brakes, and hold the brakes, and hold this down also, right here. We're going to let go of the brakes. We're going to press the accelerator pedal all the way down. We're going to hold this down, and then we're going to press the key there 3 times, the start stop 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So if you heard it, right now we're in service mode. Right now we can go and compress the rear pistons, but now let's take it off of service mode. So start with the ignition off. We're going to turn the ignition on. We're going to press the brakes, press this down. We're going to let go of the brake, press the accelerator pedal down, and pull up on this, and then cycle the key 3 times. And right now we're off of service mode, and you can verify there's a parking light right here, amber, that's going to come on when you're in service mode, and then it will go off once you're out of service mode. I hope this video was helpful. It was a short video. Leave a like if you like this content, and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching.